Hello guys, welcome back to another answer writing practice video. In today's video we are going to analyze a GS paper 1 question asked in 2019 of the MPPSC examination. Okay, so this was asked for 15 marks. Analyze the reason for the launch of Quit India movement. Okay, so before beginning the video, I am just 10 more subscriber away from reaching the goal of 90, so please make sure to subscribe and help me reach the goal. Now looking at the structure for this answer, as you know, there is 3 parts to a good answer. One is introduction, second is body, and third is conclusion. Okay, so beginning with introduction, since it is asking about the reasons behind the launch of Quit India movement, we can quickly introduce what was Quit India movement. Okay, so you can give the introduction regarding Quit India movement in a 1 or 2 line. So we can state that Quit India movement was launched on August 8, 1942 in the Congress session of Bombay. Okay, so you can give this quick introduction, and the reason behind the launch of Quit India movement are stated below. So this could be your crisp introduction. Now to give the reasons, you can write the body in point forms, starting with the first and major reason, that was the failure of Cripps mission. Okay, so this was considered the major reason behind the launch of Quit India movement by Gandhiji. Why? Because Cripps mission failed to give complete independence to India, or promise complete independence. Okay, as we all know, Cripps mission promised dominion status instead of a provision for complete independence, which was not accepted by Congress. So hence this led to the failure of Cripps mission, and hence this served as a purpose for the launch of Quit India movement. So this was the major reason. This is very important and you have to state this reason in order to get good marks. Second reason was the rising inflation, that is the increase in cost of rice, salt and other essential commodities, which acted as a resentment towards the British government and hence fueled the demand for Quit India movement. Okay, and you can basically expand on this point. Third reason was decrease in faith by the Indian people on the British government. Okay, Britishers suffered reverses in the Southeast Asia region, and some people considered that the fall of British Empire in India was imminent as the Japanese were approaching Indian borders. Okay, so this led to decline of faith by the Indian citizens in the British government. So this also fueled up feelings for a united movement against the Britishers. Okay, सो बेसिकली क्या हुआ था, आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ मैं. साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में जब जापानीज़ आर्मी ने ब्रिटिशर्स को मतलब घेर रखा था, तो ब्रिटिशर्स ने क्या करा था, दे मेड 2 रोड्स. वन वॉज अ वाइट रोड, सेकेंड वॉज अ ब्लैक रोड, जिसमें वाइट रोड वॉज मेड स्पेशली फॉर यूके सोल्जर्स. ओके, टू रिट्रीट, एंड वेयर एज दिस वन ब्लैक रोड वॉज मेड फॉर इंडियन सोल्जर्स टू रिट्रीट. सो बेसिकली आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे कैसे किसी को, आप देख रहे हो कि साफ साफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो रहा है बिटवीन इंडियन सोल्जर्स एंड यूके सोल्जर्स. ऑल्दो इंडियन सोल्जर्स कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड वेरी हेविली टुवर्ड्स द total amount of soldiers in the World War II. This discrimination also increased resentment against the British. And Gandhiji also believed that if the Britishers left India, Japan would have no reasons to invade India. So hence he also made the demand Britishers should leave India. Fourth point, you could have written that Gandhiji or the leadership at that time wanted to condition the Indian citizen for a possible Japanese invasion. Okay, because it was an imminent fear during that time. So With this movement, Gandhiji believed that the Indian public would unite together to face and offer a stiff resistance to the Japanese invasion if and when it happened. In conclusion, you could have written that after the failure of Crisp's mission, the leadership accepted the new idea of struggle, which resulted in the launch of Quit India movement. So with this, you could have concluded the answer. One more thing, you could have added an introduction that August 8, 1942 is also celebrated as August Kranti Divas. So आप ये भी line add कर सकते थे to make it more linked with current affairs. Okay. So with this, you could have framed this answer. With this, we come to the end of this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.